So guys, sorry kung sobrang bihira nyo na ako makikita or magvo-vlog tungkol sa mga cars and all. Magvo-vlog pa rin tayo ng mga cars every now and then, pero hindi na kasing dalas ng dati na yun yung content natin. Alam mo yun, I overgrew yung hindi naman yung hilig sa kotse. Syempre mahilig pa rin tayo sa sasakyan, pero as you mature, alam mo yun, you overgrew yung pagka-addict mo sa sasakyan, yung setup na sasakyan o whatever. Although may mga papitik-pitik pa rin tayo ng mga sasakyan, pero hindi na siya ganun ka-priority for me. Ang priority ko na ngayon is my wife, my family, and I want to inspire many people na sa life na. Hindi na yung car collection, hindi na yung it's not goodbye to the car contents kasi I still have the car, some of the cars now. Before, alam nyo naman na sobrang dami kong sasakyan, kaya lang wala ng sense eh. Alam mo yun? Sometimes when you grow old and you mature, you'll think na parang it's not all about the cars. It's not all about the money that you have. It's not all about everything that makes people wow. Alam mo yun? It's the love of the family, my love for my wife. And that's it. Hindi na tapos na tayo sa mga flexing sa flexing era natin.